Hi, my name is David, and I work on the Galileo curriculum team. I'm here today with your project challenge, Lego Crash Test. We'll be crashing Lego cars into a wall, and your goal is to build a Lego car that loses 0 pieces of Lego on impact at the highest possible speed. And by being determined, by continuing to try new designs, even if things get a little frustrating.
The materials you need are a few books, Legos, a box like a cereal box, scissors, rubber bands, tape, a pencil, a marker, and a ruler. Once you have all your materials, your first steps are to create the launcher anchor, the power indicator, and the backboard. If building the launcher looks challenging, get help. The backboard can be any hard object that you don't mind getting dents in, like these books. It could also just be a board. Start making the launcher by cutting off the corner of the box as shown. Next, attach one of the rubber bands to the front corner of the launcher. Use 3 layers of tape to hold the rubber band down. It'll have a lot of force pulling on it. Then attach the other rubber band to the other side of the launcher, again using 3 layers of tape. Next, add a tape flag to each of the rubber bands. Do this by putting a longer piece of tape through the rubber band and then folding it on itself. Again, we'll need 3 layers, so add 2 more layers of tape onto the tape flag. Then add a tape flag to the other rubber band as well. With the 2 tape flags added to the launcher, it should now look like this. Add a pull tab to the launcher by putting a piece of tape across the bottom and folding over the end. Reinforce this piece of tape with a couple of other pieces of tape running across it. With the launcher complete, it's now time to anchor it to the ground. Measure 18 inches out from the backboard and place the launcher at that point. To anchor the launcher to the ground, use 3 long strips of tape across the tape flags. Then use 2 strips of tape that run perpendicular to these first 3 strips. Next, create the power indicator. Do that by laying a long strip of tape beneath the launcher. Then align the ruler with the front edge of the launcher. Then make a tick mark at the front of the ruler and at every inch along the ruler. Now that the launcher is complete, we can start making the Lego cars. Find 2 Lego wheels and then count out 20 Lego pieces. It doesn't matter which Lego pieces you use, just count out 20. One key piece of building knowledge to think about when you are creating your car is that the more overlapped or interlocked the bricks are, the stronger their overall connections will be. As you build your car, think about how you can maximize this overlapping and interconnectedness between all of the bricks. When you make your first car, don't worry about making it perfect. It's best to just try something and see what happens. Now we're ready to launch. Put your car in the launcher. Make sure it's seated in the back of the launcher. Pull it back to level 1. If the car doesn't brake, pull it back to level 2. If it doesn't brake at level 2, pull it back to level 3. Keep going until something breaks off the car. Once something breaks off the car, take a moment and evaluate where and how the car is braking. Then redesign the car by finding new ways to interlock the pieces. I had hoped that my redesigned car would be stronger than my first car, but it broke again on level 4 just like my first car. The same thing might happen to you too, but don't give up. Be determined and keep trying new designs. One quick note, if you'd like to be able to use your launcher again, you can mount it on a cardboard sheet so it can be packed away and taken out when you want to use it.
That's the Lego Crash Test. If you built a strong car or took some cool slow-mo video of your car getting destroyed, we'd love to see it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.